In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make white background transparent here in Canva. Now, it's going to come down to what you're trying to do. If you're trying to download an image or your design as a transparent background, but it has a white background like this, then it all comes down to your download settings. So right here, this is a white background. We can check that just here. We could also change that to any color that we want. But if we're trying to download this as a transparent background, it all comes down to these settings. So we click on share, we click on download. We have to make sure that it's a PNG because a PNG is the only file format that we can make transparent. But then we want to click on this transparent background. Now, please be aware, you do need a Canva Pro account to actually make a transparent background. If we look here, there's a little crown icon, which means it's a Pro feature. Now, if we click on here, let's just choose the pages that we want. We're going to do page number 2. Then if we click done and click download, this background will now be transparent. So again, on the design, it doesn't look like it's transparent until you download your design. Then if we open it just like this, we can now see that this background is in fact transparent. So that's what you've got to do if you're trying to download your design, which has a white background, but you want it actually transparent. Now, if you actually have an image with a white background, this isn't quite white, but if you do have just an image with a white background and you're trying to make that transparent, then we actually want to use the background remover. Now we can see that up in the toolbar just here. So if we click off the image, then click back onto it, we want to come to this toolbar and just click on background remover. Now again, this is a Canva Pro feature, so please keep that in mind. But once we click on background remover, that's now removed the white background, making this transparent. And if we wanted to download this as a transparent background as well, we would do exactly the same thing with coming to download, choosing the page that we actually want. This is page 3. Then we click done. We make sure transparent background is enabled. Then we click download. Then once we download this, this is also going to have that transparent background, as we can see just here. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a white background transparent here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.